dew point forecast by this evening will be in the low 70s, even some mid 70s. To translate that, when it interacts with something to give it lift, the thunderstorms could produce heavy rainfall. This is the excessive rain outlook from the National Weather Service. In yellow, we've been upgraded to slight risk. This is not severe weather per se, it's just the potential for excessive rain right through Monday, which could lead to flash flooding. All right, we'll go into the afternoon. We'll start to see a couple showers and storms popping, becoming more numerous by evening. And there's that focal point area tonight. And then tomorrow, I think things are more widespread. By tomorrow afternoon and evening, more of us will be included in the heavy rain. Same deal with Sunday. More of us will be included and likely into Monday as well. And this is just really potentially 3 to 5 inches of rain. Some of you may get a little less. Some areas may actually get a little more than that. That takes us through the next 5 days. That's not just today. So there you go. Here are your temperatures, 80s, overnight lows, 70s and upper 60s, which indicate pretty darn humid right through the 7-day stretch.